I kept hearing people talk about ComfyUI. I like it was the serious way to use AI image and video models, so I finally stopped watching tutorials and built a workflow myself. And honestly, the first few minutes made me think, why is this so complicated? Then I started connecting the pieces, and that's when I understood why people are so obsessed with it. ComfyUI works very differently from the usual AI tools where you type a prompt, press a button, and wait. Here, you build the process yourself using connected nodes. One node can load a model, another can handle the prompt, another controls the generation, and you connect everything together to create your workflow. At first, it feels like you're looking at the control panel of a spaceship, but once the basic idea clicks, you realize you're not just generating an image, you're designing the entire process that creates it. That's what I wanted to test. Instead of copying somebody else's workflow, I started with a simple setup and built it piece by piece. And the interesting part was being able to see exactly where each step fits into the generation process. If you're a beginner though, don't expect ComfyUI to feel like Canva. There is definitely a learning curve. You'll probably break something, connect the wrong thing, wonder why nothing is generating, and then realize you forgot one tiny connection. But that's also the reason I think advanced creators might prefer it. Once you understand the workflow, you're not locked into whatever options a simple interface gives you. You can change individual parts, reuse workflows, experiment with different models, and create a setup specifically for the way you work. And that can become extremely powerful when you're doing repetitive creative work. Imagine you're creating product images for a business. Instead of rebuilding the process every time, you can create a workflow once and keep reusing it. Same idea for character generation, concept art, image variations, or more advanced AI video workflows. The downside is pretty obvious. ComfyUI gives you more control because it gives you more responsibility. If you just want to type a prompt and get an image, there are easier tools. But if you want to understand what's happening underneath and build something customized, that's where ComfyUI starts making sense. After using it, I wouldn't call it the easiest AI tool I've tested, but I also don't think that's the point. ComfyUI is less like an AI generator and more like a visual programming environment for AI. And once you see it that way, the whole interface starts making a lot more sense. So here's what I want to know. Would you rather have an AI tool that's incredibly easy or one that gives you almost complete control? Comment below and tell me which one you choose.